Today we were just welding like pieces of metal together and like kind of getting used to it. This is the bead that I did right here. It felt like I was cooking bacon. Like the noise was just like a little sizzle of bacon on the frying pan.
Like I was holding it and it just felt like this whole thing of like electricity was just like guiding, and it was just it was really fun.
Very first day of Camp Fusion. My girls are very excited, and I got some true welders coming out of here.
I'm Megan McDonald, and I'm currently in grade 12. Well, this year I'm taking construction trades in grade 10. I took skilled trades in 11. I took manufacturing. Yeah, I'm just here to help. Right now, we're just doing the basics of wire welding, just to introduce girls into trades.
They all tried welding, they all tested it, they all loved it, and they all did very well at it.
When I heard about the program, I was like, oh my god, like that's my chance to like figure it out and learn about it.
I just did it for like the experience, to see like what welding was really like. My dad's like a plumber, and like uncles and like stuff are like in like electricity, and when she came, I saw the fountain and I thought it was really cool, so I really wanted to try it.
In all my trades classes, I have been the only girl, and seeing more come join us, I think that's pretty cool.
She was prepared with everything we needed, like we have shirts and like pencils, and like she literally even gave us hair ties just in case.
I feel like it makes it more comfortable to be here, having a female instructor, because like you can relate more with them too. Like she's in charge, like she's teaching a whole bunch of females, it's just really empowering.
My future, the ultimate goal, underwater welding. That's what I want to do.
Girls are very eager, and I'm very excited to have them. So that when they're going to make a water fountain, each individual. They're going to take something home that they're going to be proud of for many years to come.
It was pretty fun, especially watching all my other friends do it and like their experiences.
I think it's pretty neat, actually.
It was really fun.
I think I'm gonna like it.